There has been a lot of buzz recently about the possibility that Samsung may remove Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen in the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Bluetooth-enabled S Pen, which first debuted with the Galaxy Note 9, revolutionized how we use the stylus. It gave users the ability to perform remote tasks, like controlling apps through air actions, making it a powerful tool for everything from photography to presentations. However, the rumored removal of this feature has left many people questioning whether it's a step forward or a step backward for the S Pen's overall appeal. For those who have embraced the Bluetooth-powered S Pen, the thought of losing such a feature is disappointing. After all, Air Actions allowed users to navigate apps, control presentations, and even snap photos from a distance. On paper, these capabilities seem like groundbreaking advancements in how a stylus could be used. But in practice, the excitement over these features seemed to fade as the limitations of the technology became clear. I personally switched from a Galaxy Note 10 to a Galaxy S22 Plus and also tested out the Galaxy Tab S7 FE's S Pen. While the Bluetooth features were intriguing, I found that they weren't particularly necessary for my everyday usage. The reality is, many users who initially appreciated these Bluetooth functions began to find them less practical over time. Compatibility issues with certain apps, along with a narrow range of air actions, made the feature less effective than expected. What initially felt like a cutting-edge innovation often came across as more of a gimmick that didn't integrate as seamlessly into real-world use as we had hoped. This disconnection between what the feature promised and how it actually performed may be one of the reasons why some users might not feel the loss of Bluetooth features would affect them as much. But it's important to recognize that not all users feel this way. For those who use the S Pen's Bluetooth camera functionality to take remote photos, the removal of Bluetooth would be a real loss. This particular feature allowed users to take pictures without needing to touch the screen, offering convenience that many users found genuinely useful. It was simple, reliable, and became a favorite among those who prioritize convenience, especially in photography. Another significant aspect of the S Pen that could be impacted by the potential removal of Bluetooth is built-in sensors such as the gyro and accelerometer. These sensors provided the S Pen with motion detection capabilities, which helped elevate it as a tool for precise drawing and writing. With the removal of Bluetooth, these sensors might no longer function as effectively unless Samsung introduces a replacement technology such as ultra-wideband UWB to maintain the S Pen's premium feel. Without a suitable alternative, the S Pen could lose some of its edge, particularly when compared to competitors like the Apple Pencil Pro. If the rumors are true, Samsung could face backlash from the public. Even those who don't actively use the Bluetooth features may perceive the removal as a regression. Critics might argue that Samsung is falling behind in terms of innovation, especially when they compare the brand to Apple, which is known for regularly improving its stylus capabilities. Samsung's reputation could suffer, and some users might even start to view the company as less innovative. Despite these potential concerns, there could be a silver lining in this situation. By removing the Bluetooth functionality, Samsung might focus on what made the S Pen great in the first place, its reliability and precision for tasks like writing and drawing. Streamlining the S Pen and focusing on these core features could appeal to users who want a simple, efficient stylus for everyday tasks. With this shift, Samsung could position the S Pen as a more versatile tool for both creative professionals and everyday users, something that might resonate with those who don't need all the extra bells and whistles. This rumored change might also signal a larger strategic move on Samsung's part. It's possible that the company is planning to refine the S Pen's functionality, focusing more on the aspects that users truly care about. Alternatively, this could be a step toward future innovations that have yet to be revealed, and Samsung could have something new and exciting in the works to make up for the loss of Bluetooth features. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates in our next video. The wait is almost over, and Samsung is ready to unveil its next big leap in smartphone technology. The upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event promises to introduce a brand new